In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Helldivers 2 black screen problem. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I want to present plenty of solutions to help you troubleshoot Helldivers 2 and fix any problems that you are having related to opening up the game being stuck on the loading screen, or specifically, whenever you try to open it and you just get a black screen. So, all these fixes will help you troubleshoot your issues. In fact, I was having trouble and they helped me as well. So the first thing that you should do is right-click the game, go over to Manage and then Browse Local Files. This will open up the folder where the game is installed. And in here, go into the bin folder and you should see this Game Guard folder. To my knowledge, this is the anti-cheat software that they use, and it is a little bit glitchy when trying to install itself. So all that you have to do here is delete this folder. So right-click Game Guard and then delete. I'm not going to do it in this video because I already solved my issues. I'm only teaching you how to solve yours, but after you delete that folder, the next thing that you should do inside of here is to right-click Helldivers 2, go into the Properties, Compatibility, and make sure that you run this program as an administrator. With this out of the way, open up a web browser, and what you have to do is look for this download, Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio 2012. It might seem weird because most people already have this installed, but what happened to me is that as soon as I repaired my install, I actually got the game to run. So even if you already have Visual C++ Redistributable, download this specific version and update, and when you open up the installer, you will be able to select Repair. Once again, I'm not going to run this process again on this video because my setup is already done, but this is all you have to do. Just click Repair and the process is done super quick. With all of this out of the way, you should be able to run Helldivers 2 without any issues. Just for context, I am on an AMD GPU. A lot of AMD users reported issues, but I was able to fix mine after these steps. The last things that I would recommend you to do is to actually, instead of running the game through Steam, run the game through this exe file. So I'm going to demonstrate this here. I don't know if this is required, but I noticed that if I ran it here, I didn't get the issue anymore, but I think you should be able to click play instead. The last thing that I would recommend is to right-click Helldivers 2 on Steam, go into the Properties, Installed Files, and verify the integrity of the files. If it detects that any files are missing or corrupted, they are going to be reacquired. But as you can clearly see on screen, the game is working for me, and doing these steps was what fixed the problems I was having, so I hope they fix it for you as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Helldivers 2 black screen problem. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.